Hi, my name's Frank Valentic, Buyer's Advocate and Director of Advantage Property Consulting. Today I'm going to talk about a strategy where you can make money in a flat market. It's our group block strategy. We've been employing this strategy since 2006 and have successfully done around 140 group blocks for over 1,000 of our investors. And the strategy is very popular because of a number of things. Firstly, we can aim to buy at a wholesale value rather than retail value. When you're buying a property between $1 to $6 million, you're usually getting a discount because there's less investors at that level of the market compared to buying a property at the retail end and entry level at under 600,000 where 80% of buyers buy. I'll use an example of a block we're currently working on in Bakers Road, Coburg North. There we're hoping to purchase those 2-bedroom apartments for 290 to 300,000, and the retail value, a similar comparable one sold in Stock Street for 392,000, about 100,000 over. But if we buy the whole block in bulk of 6 apartments at around 1.8 million, we expect and command to get a discount. Secondly, the aim is to always buy well under the median unit price in that area. So there's upside, and Melbourne's median unit price, which is around 592. In Coburg North, the median unit price is 620. In Coburg, it's 630. So if we can pick them up at around that 290 mark, there's got to be an upside for our clients. Thirdly, we can then add some instant value with some renovations internally. Most of our clients would do an internal renovation, spending around 20 to 25,000 to do a new fit out, and then doing some external renovations, rendering some new fencing, some landscaping that will increase the property's value overnight. We also then can add value by converting common areas such as laundries and car parks, also courtyards, and converting these areas into private areas for some of the units on license agreements. And that's what will happen with this block. It'll add some instant value. The group block strategy is great because it can create some instant equity in a flat market. It can also increase the rental returns and provide much higher rentals. In this case, they're renting around $300 a week. After external renovation, we expect them to get $400 a week. So increasing cash flow, creating equity, and a very powerful strategy in a flat market. So please don't hesitate to get on our website, check out information about our Buyer's Advocate, Seller's Advocate, property management, and our group block strategy, as well as subscribe to our weekly and monthly market updates. We look forward to seeing you next time.